Hello, Assalamu alaikum, student.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, Bete. How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, that's really great. Do you all know me? Who am I?
Yes, you are Miss Zainab, Alicia's mother.
Okay, Abraham knows me. Okay. Kanza, do you know me, Bete?
Yes.
Okay. So let me give my brief introduction to you. As I am teaching year 5 and 6, my subject is English. I do teach them English. So I'm arranging an activity in that I want junior kids to take part as well. Am I clear? So
Yes.
I have selected few students to take part in that activity to groom themselves more. You all are you all are mashallah very great students of the class. Am I clear?
Yes.
So so this activity, inshallah, you will enjoy this activity and you will have a lot of fun in this activity. Okay. I have requested more students to join and still they did not join. Let wait 2 minutes more to for two more students should join the class. They are still
Zainab, I also want to do a speech.
okay, bete, definitely, bete. The speech and debate competition, Ahmad, it's a part of year 5 and 6. But interview, which I am organizing it, it is for class 3 and 4 as well. So right now I'll be discussing about only interview. Fine, Ahmad?
Yes.
About speech and debate competition, na, we'll be discussing at 4 p.m. bete. It's year 5 and 6 activity. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let Ali Ahmad join the class. We will start the class. Farwa and Ali Ahmad is still left to join. Okay. Did you ever? Okay. Do let me know. Did you ever watch the news channel that a person is interviewing a celebrity or interviewing the anchor is interviewing a politicians? Did you ever watch? Did you ever watch in television? What do you observe in that? What do you observe in that? Share with me. Use Zoom option to raise a hand and ask question to me or share your views. G. Abraham.
Teacher, the interview like that. The newses they tell are I like their newses, and my favorite channel is Geo.
Okay. Did you ever watch the channel which is introducing any anchor is introducing any celebrity, any singer,
Uh,
the interview of any
yeah.
singer, any actor? Did you observe
Yes.
that? How do they sit? How do they speak? How do they ask the question? Did you observe all these things? When we are speaking to anyone or we are taking an interview, so it's a one-on-one conversation. What is that? It is
One-on-one
one-on-one conversation. Like one people is a person who is taking an interview, conducting it, and the second person is a person who is giving an interview, who is giving an answer. Is this clear? When we conduct
Yes.
an interview, in that a person is taking an interview and one person is giving an answer to the person who is conducting it. Fine. So for that we have to care about few things. Fine. Did you understand what is an interview? What do we do in that?
Yeah.
We can take interview of any celebrity, any singer, any person. Fine. We ask them few questions and the interview is a person who answered the questions. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. I want you to go through it. Look at that. Okay, first of all, just clear it. What is an interview? What do we do in that? Interview is a a structured conversation where one participant asks the question and the other participant provides an answer. Fine. For example, if I am conducting or you are conducting, you will be asking question, and whose interview you will be taking now, they will answer you. Look at that. Here the girl is taking an interview. She is taking an interview of this person. So she is asking question and this person is answering. Okay? It is one-on-one conversation between an interview and interviewee. Fine. She is an interviewer, the person who is taking an interview. ठीक है dear? And the person who is giving, he is interviewee. ठीक है? Because he is giving the interview. Okay. When you are conducting an interview, you have to observe few pointers. There are few pointers of interview when you are taking it. What are the pointers? The thing which you have to critically observe while taking an interview. These are very important things. What are these? These are very important things which you will focus. Okay. Look at that. The pointers of interview. How will you sit when you are taking or conducting an interview? You will sit straight and tight in your chair, very confidently. Fine? Because you are a person who is conducting an interview. So sit very straight. In front side, you have to face camera. Am I clear? Because you are facing camera, so you should look. You should maintain the eye contact. It's really important to maintain the eye contact. Sit straight, maintain eye contact, and use your hand gesture. These all are the expressions which we are showing. Fine? It's very important when we are taking an interview. The gestures are very important. Your face expression, how do you express your question? How do you present? How are you asking? It's very important. Fine? You should, if the interview is like the person is giving an answer to you, at the time you should nod your head that you understand the person, you understand the answer. You should not mean move your head, and that shows it that you listen to him, you understand it. Fine? Did you understand all these pointers? Did you understand these pointers? What are these pointers? Did you understand, my dear? Do you wish to ask any question about it? Okay. Now, who you did not understand? G. Abraham. Ask the question, Abraham. Which thing you did not understand, Abraham? Abraham, ask the question.
Yes, I am saying I don't have any question.
Okay, you don't have any question. Kanza, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. You all can unmute yourself. All can unmute yourself. I'm allowing everyone to unmute. Very good. Yes.
टीचर मैं आपसे ये पूछ रहा था कि इंटरव्यू कब होगा?
This you have to conduct next week. Okay. Did you understand what is an interview? What do we do in that? Do you understand this first? Yes. Kanza, you wish to ask something? Ask, bete.
Next questions क्या होंगे?
First, you have to understand, bete, how we have to sit. Fine? You should know what is an interview. What do we do in that? Which gestures and which posture we have to apply when we are taking an interview. How we have to sit, which expression, the face expression we have to show, which gestures are very important when we are speaking. How we have to speak, how should be the voice. Fine? How should be the voice? You should know, you should carefully take an interview. You should observe following things. Did you understand the pointers which I have shared with you? What are the quick pointers? Sit straight, fine, maintain eye contact. Eye contact you have to maintain, you have to sit confidently with a smiley face. And when you are asking questions, show expression. Fine, your expression really mean a lot. Fine. And the hand gestures are very important. Okay, now the questionnaire. Now come to questionnaire. How many questions you wish to ask to the person whose interview you are taking? For that you have to make a questionnaire. For example, I am conducting an interview of a person who is an actor. So which question I'll be asking? I have to make all question the questionnaire. Fine. For example, I wish to know about the height and all thing about the person, about the personality, about the likeness, about the dislike, each and everything. So I have to make overall questionnaire about it. Is this clear? Is this clear, my dear?
Yes.
Did you use the thumbs up option? Did you understand that? Use Zoom thumbs up. Yes, Zainab, are you getting it? Ahmad, are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, again, I'm sharing the screen. I want you all to observe, look at that. Are you all able to look at my screen?
Yes, no, miss.
Okay, wait, let me again share it. Okay. Okay. Are you all able to look at it? Okay.
Yes.
Previously, I was sharing about the pointers. What are important pointers you have to care about when you are taking an interview? Now, look at that. All the pictures. How the person is taking an interview. Okay. Now, there are the 5 stages of an interview. How many stages we do have of the interview? We have 5 stages. In the first stage, what will we do? We will introduce ourselves first. Fine. Then we will be introducing the person whose interview we are taking. Then a small talk. Fine. We will do a small talk asking about few things. After that, we'll be gathering information like the questionnaire which you are adding. In the third step, you'll be asking question answer. So it is the stage when you will be asking questions. Fine.
Yes.
This is the stage when you ask question. And after summing up, after asking all the question, after gathering all information about the person, you will wrap up. You will sum up the whole interview. How many steps we do have of an interview? There are 5 steps which you have to focus when you are taking an interview. Introduce yourself, then introduce the person whose interview you are taking. Fine. Then a minor talk, a small discussion, and after that, gather information. Gathering information means collect information by asking different questions. And at last, you will sum up. You will conclude it whole. Fine. Okay. There are few ethical point, na few gesture which we have to focus. Okay. When we are meeting the first thing, when we meet the person to take an interview, what do we do that? Fine. We do greet. Greet means after introducing, We handshake and greet, do all that thing. Fine. Then when we are sitting in a proper manner. So how do we sit?
Hello.
Sit straight. Yes, my dear Mai, you wish to add something? No? Okay, did you understand that? How do you have,
Yes.
how you have to sit? Okay, so when you are not using your gesture, so your hands should be on your lap. Fine? Maintain the eye contact.
Yes.
Never use the word all this will spoil your interview. When you get stuck while asking the question, it will spoil the overall interview. Fine? We don't use the letters like this all will. These are not the good habits. We cannot use during interview. Fine? Hand gestures are very important. Fine? The hand gestures are very important. It play an important role in communication. Fine? It shows your confidence level.
Yes.
And it emphasizes or reinforce the key points and words, whatever you are using.
Yes.
Okay. Never repeat the hand gesture. We should not repeat. You should change it again and again. Fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
When the person is giving an answer, you should not interrupt. Let the person answer. Fine? Then you will be asking the second question. Fine?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Do not interrupt. Make sure you are sitting in a proper manner. Fine? And you should sit confidently. You should have your questionnaire and all that with you, whatever you wish to ask. Okay. Now, do let me know. Did you understand that? How we have to take an interview? Did you all understand?
Yes.
Ji Ali Ahmed. What are hand gestures? Who will let me know?
Teacher, hand gestures, hand expression.
The hand gestures are the action of hands.
Very good. Very good, Abraham. Very good. Okay. Now, I'll be asking question to you. You have to answer me. Who is an interviewer? Raise the hand. Raise the zoom option. Come on, use the zoom option to raise the hand. Okay. Only Abraham is raising and no one wish to answer. Okay, Ali Ahmed as well. Okay, Kanza. Now, Abraham, you should give chance to Kanza now. Fine? You already answered one question now. Ji Kanza.
Which is asking a question.
Very good. The person who is asking a question. Okay. How we have to sit when we are taking an interview? Who will let me know? Ji Ali Ahmed.
Teacher, we should sit straight and make eye contact with him.
Okay, that's really great. Very good. Okay. Ji, Abraham, you wish to share something? How we have to sit while taking an interview? Abraham will let us know. Ji, Abraham. Ji, Abraham, do let us know how we have to sit when we are taking an interview.
We should sit properly, straight and properly, and keep eye contact and never word like yeah.
Very good. Excellent job, Abraham. Very good. You know, your smiley and confident face, it's really important. You should smile when you're asking question. It's very important. If I show up confused, that means how I'm taking an interview, I'm myself confused. This is not a good pattern to take an interview. When you're taking an interview now, you should smile. You should sit confidently. Show your eye expression, the face expression. It's very important. Okay. Ji Mahin, who is interviewing? Do let me know. Ji Mahin.
Who we will sit properly.
No, who
Teacher,
is
can I
interviewing? Okay, Ahmad will tell us. Yes, Ahmad, who is interviewing? जी बेटे.
Yes, miss.
Am I audible to all of you?
Please repeat.
Am I
Yes,
audible
miss.
to all of you? Ji Ahmad bete, answer the question. I
Yes.
did not get the voice of yours.
Of miss.
Okay. Ji Zainab will tell more
Miss,
about it. Ji Zainab.
Can you repeat the question?
Bete, who is interviewing?
When we take interview, we should not laugh and sit straight.
Very good.
We should take interview very carefully and smile face, asking the question.
Very good, Zainab. Yes, Abraham, you wish to share something? Ji Abraham bete. Abraham, you wish to share something?
Yes, miss.
Ji bete.
आवाज नहीं आ-
Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, miss. Yes, now you are audible.
Okay. Now, Abraham, you wish to share anything?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be sharing a questionnaire with you all. What you will be asking when you will be taking an interview. Did you understand each and everything? The gesture which you have to use, how you have to sit. You have to face camera. Sit straight in front of. We cannot sit beside or opposite. ठीक है ना? We should show our face. Jean, Kanza, did you understand, my dear? Kanza, did you understand?
Yes, miss.
Aliana, did you understand? Very good, Abraham.
Yes.
Hamad, now speak up, bete. Did you understand, my dear? Now, Hamad will sum up the today's lecture. Hamad, sum up the today's lecture. What we studied, what did you learn today? From today's lecture, what did you understand? जल्दी से बता दें.
Okay, miss.
जल्दी से.
That we go to interview, we don't want to do ha, he, ha. And yeah, miss.
Okay.
When we go to interview, we go with our confident, don't pretend ill.
I think there is internet issue because I'm connecting through the data now, and the signal, I'm not getting a proper signal. Did you all understand that, my dear? Now I'll be sharing a questionnaire with you. Which I'll be asking. Okay? Okay, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Allah Hafiz, my dear.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz. Hope this will be beneficial for you all. Have a good day ahead.
टीचर
जी बेटे.
टीचर
जी
आप
बेटे.
ये मीटिंग कल भी लेंगी?
नो बेटे, अपने आप से व्हाट्सएप पे ना क्वेश्चन शेयर कर. द क्वेश्चन हियर ना, आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट टू यू. व्हिच क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आस्क. ठीक है?
Okay.
टीचर आज होगी आपकी क्लास हमारी क्लास के साथ क्या?
जी बेटे, definitely that I will be taking, my dear. Okay, Allah Hafiz.